Hello all, welcome to FinCompass. So as we have seen in the last video, I highlighted regarding a SIP tracker. So I have created this SIP tracker for you to play with your investments and try to understand how the calculation happens in the background. So this SIP calculator sheet is built upon the formulas which we have discussed in the last video. If you have not watched my previous video, I will attach the link in the description. Please go check that so that this will be clear and you will have a better understanding how this actually works. Let's do a quick recap. So FE calculator, these yellow sections are the inputs. The annual return is 12% for a span of 10 years and the monthly investment amount is 10,000 rupees, which is indicated in negative, which is because the amount is going out from your pocket. In a year, number of months is 12 months, so it is considered. So we have taken this 12 months here for the calculation. And when we apply the FB formula, so we are getting a result of around 23 lakhs 386.89. When you round it up, it is 387 rupees. Okay. Now I have taken the same values as it here, just for easy understanding. So SIP amount as 10,000, CAGR value as 12%, and investment period is 10 years, starting from July 26. Please don't consider this step up 10% as of now. Maybe I will try to incorporate this in the future upcoming videos or direct sessions. Okay. So now you can see this future value and the formula has been applied here. The amounts are matching, right? So I believe till this we are clear. Now the next input or the thing which is different here is this monthly rate. What is this monthly rate? Now this 12%, whatever the CAGR highlighted here, this is getting divided by 12 months, which is giving us 1% return, consistent return every month. Okay. So this is again subjected to the market fluctuation. Okay. Now let's get into the breakup. How your investments are getting multiplied or getting or growing as you keep on investing on any funds basically. Now, in July month, you are investing 10,000 rupees. So, as per theoretical calculation, I'm just keeping this. First month, there is no returns. So, this return per growth percentage becomes 0%, which is 1x. Whatever you have invested is as is. Okay. So, when let's move to the next month, August 26, where your opening balance, this is nothing but your July's investment. In August, again, you are investing another 10,000 rupees. Now, this 1% thing comes into picture, whatever the return rate. So 1% of your July investment is 100 rupees. So, all these three investments, which is July month investment, August month investment, and the return, whatever you got for July month, these three things together makes your closing balance as 20,100 rupees. Right? So the invested amount is 20,000 and the return or growth, whatever you got is 100 rupees. Right? Now let's go to the next month. September again, you are investing another 10,000 rupees. But previous closing balance is 20,000 and 100 rupees. So that comes here and another 10,000 rupees, which makes your total investment or total amount in your account becomes 30,000 and 100 rupees. Right? But the return whatever you got from the previous month accumulation of 1% of this total amount is 201 rupees. Now we will be adding all these three things together, which makes our final closing balance as 30,301 rupees. Here, so this gives a 1% of growth. Similarly, this keeps running for the next consecutive months. Every month you keep consistently putting 10,000 rupees, considering the CAGR percentage as 12%, and monthly rate as 1%. So moving forward, when this investment is done for 10 years, which is equal to 120 months, we are seeing the investment turns to be 1 lakh rupees from your hand. So 120 into 10,000 rupees, which is equal to 1 lakh. And the return of 12%, which makes us 11 lakh 387 rupees. Okay. Now both accumulated, we are getting a sum of 23 lakh 387 rupees as a total fund value, which is your return. which is 1.92x of your total investment amount. And the absolute return here is 91.70 percentage, right? So let's see this value and our formula value is matching or not. So this is a theoretical calculation. Every month we are calculating and then we are summing it up together. And this FV calculator is calculating with a formula, right? With this formula, we are actually getting, sorry, same 23 lakh 387 rupees with a manual calculation. Also, we are achieving the same value, right? So I will try to attach a link for downloading this Excel sheet, editable Excel sheet. So please try to download this thing and try editing this values and see how much you can actually invest in some funds and how much you can expect if we are having a specific CAGR value. Now let's say I'll like change this value to 5,000 rupees. And here we go, the total future value becomes 11 lakh 50,119. So let's check the theoretical value also once again. 11 lakh 50,190. So all both the things are matching now. So the formula is working as we expected, right? I think you would have learned something new in this video. If you really like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to FinCompass. Thanks for watching.